Our first project, which was almost 1986, was for a brand called Weekender. And they didn't go to an interior designer, they came to us as an industrial designer and asked us to design a system where they could set up a store overnight. So we created this system, which is completely modular, consisting of what we call cat poles, which can be jammed against the ceiling and the floor. And we actually set up their store overnight. So they felt emboldened to go ahead and set up almost 50 stores using this system, and each store would come up almost instantly. So that's how we got into ShopFit, and we got into cultivating premium clients who wanted quality. And so starting with, we got Calvin Klein jeans, which was the first client. From there we went to Marks and Spencer, and we got into that groove. So then we had Nike, we had Puma, we had Debenhams. So we managed to get a roster of multinational brands who were looking for quality, and it was a good dovetail fit between the brand's aspirations and what we were good at.
Our strength lies in the capabilities of our design and engineering teams that are well supported by our manufacturing teams.
In addition to our Bangalore facility, with our new Hyderabad plant, we expanded our production floor from 40,000 to 2 lakh square feet, a 5-fold increase in floor space and 3-fold increase in production capacities.
At Macromedia, our vision is to be India's most preferred integrated solution provider, helping brands amplify their visibility and elevate customer experiences across retail, commercial, and public spaces. With the strategic acquisition of Dovetail, we take a step towards offering end-to-end retail environment solutions. Dovetail now expand its reach to 11 offices of Macromedia, bringing it closer to its customers. Dovetail also has access to Macromedia's managerial and financial resources, reinforcing Dovetail as a significant player in the shop-fit retail furniture market. Now, we bring together high-quality printing, customized shop fitting, and innovative materials to enhance brand presence and store aesthetics. Macromedia and Dovetail's combined expertise fosters collaborative innovation, empowering brands to craft unique retail environments and personalized store designs. This strategic move cements Macromedia's position as a comprehensive retail solution provider, accelerating innovation, efficiency, and market expansion.
Even though our designs were ambitious and that had to be converted into real robust structural elements that could work for a long time, I think Dovetail worked with us to make sure quality was met. The first store, of course, was difficult because we were learning, they were learning. The second store, because they happened in more or less in parallel, we had similar challenges, right? Today we are in a position with Dovetail wherein all we have to do is give them a call, tell them these are the number of fixtures we need for a store, send them a drawing. That's the limit of our interaction today, and the next thing we know, things are already installed. And I am fairly surprised to know that, hey, I didn't know we gave a go ahead for installation, but they go to the site, evaluate the site, install it with very, very minimal calls, right? There are no back and forths that happen at all anymore. It's almost like they're part of our team. Today, I can proudly say that every partner that we work with in terms of our franchising model has almost zero complaints. Most partners give you like support for like a certain amount of time in a day. Dovetail has gone over and beyond that, right? They've not seen weekends, they've not seen weekdays. Every time we've asked for support, I think the turnaround time's almost been immediate.
Last month we have expanded to 25 more stores. So when we started the month, we had this target of launching 25 stores, but we were not sure how to get 25 stores done within a month. Irrespective of size or location of the store, we want to give a consistent consumer experience. We took a modular approach where they helped us, took our inputs and built the first prototype. We really liked the prototype. Then we started with one store and eventually we placed a PO for 15 stores in one shot. We were able to execute these 15 stores within a month's time. One thing I really like about Dovetail is the value engineering and value creation mindset that they have. There is a lot of advantage that comes with Dovetail. It is not just the store units or the store infra. It is overall services that they provide as a group, wherein the other sister concerns and the group companies comes into play, whether it is in terms of signage. So the good thing was that we were able to get end-to-end solutions right from designing till the launch of the store. If you have the designs ready, maybe I think they have the wherewithal to launch a store within a week to 10 days.
Right from the word go, they've understood what is it that we wanted to convey, what are the nuances that we wanted to build and incorporate into our store. All of these nuances, all of these features, all of these qualities were successfully incorporated into the design and executed with Dovetail. In a very short span of time, we opened up to close to more than 10 plus stores across geographies. And while the scaling up was happening, while the multiple projects were happening at the same time, we were very encouraged and pleased to see that the quality did not suffer, which is very, very important when you are trying to standardize and maintain a certain finesse across stores across the country and try to give consumers the same experience without any compromise. So a big shout out to the team at Dovetail. I think this partnership between Big Hello and Dovetail has been quite successful. I would say as a customer, as a partner, I would rate them very, very high, and I would recommend them to many other people in the industry.
I would like to say that we are the one for all your store fixturing and furniture requirements. We are the one for your internal and external store branding and visual communications. We are the one for all your store rollouts across India. Yes, we are the one.